In this video, we're going to show you how to set up 2FA, or two-factor authentication, for security purposes. Go to Login, put in your username and password, click I'm not a robot, click Login. Then it brings you to this, protect your account from unauthorized access. We require that you set up two-factor authentication. Click Set Up Now. You're going to notice there's different ways to set it up, but for this video, we're going to come down and you're going to notice it says or install authenticator plugin into your browser. So click right here. You're going to notice right here that there's a drop down. You could put it on Chrome, Firefox, or Edge, but for this video we're going to put it on Chrome. It's going to bring you to this page. Simply click Add to Chrome, Add Extension. Then it's going to bring you to this page here. This is the page that is indicating you're completed, and you'll notice that by this little icon up here, and if you hover over it, it actually says Authenticator. So go ahead and close up Chrome. Then you're going to come over here and you're going to expose the QR code. But right underneath of it, we're going to set up using the secret code first. I'll show you how to use the barcode in a moment. But you copy your secret code, come up here and click on the icon, and you're going to click on the pencil. Then click the plus. And it says you could scan QR code or do manual entry. Let's do manual entry. Name the account and paste in the secret code. If you were to hit OK right now, this would install it for you. But we're not going to do that yet. I want to show you how to use the QR code also for install. You'll also notice it says time-based and there's a drop down here. There's multiple options. Just leave it on time-based and then hit OK. Let's close this up for a moment. Come back over here. I'm going to show you how to set up using this QR code right here. So this time we're going to click on the icon. We're going to click on this icon that says Scan QR Code. You'll notice there's a little video showing you exactly what to do. So you're going to come over here and do this over the QR code that is available to you. When you release, it just set up the 2FA for you. Support 1 has been added. So I click OK. Now I need to move on to step 2. Type the PIN to confirm. So I'm going to come back up to the icon and I'm simply going to click. Then I'm going to click Allow. Okay, it's been copied. I'm going to come over and I'm going to paste it in and hit Verify. Two-factor authentication enabled. Now the system is going to want you to test it. So you're going to do it once more. Click on the icon. And you notice this little timer right here. It's going to run out. It's blinking red. So we're going to wait just a moment. And then we'll go ahead and we'll copy the next code because now we have plenty of time to get input. So we paste it there and we hit test. Two-factor authentication test worked. Click OK. And now you can navigate around your back office.